Bharat Mata ki Jai. Thank you. Today, as I was going with Dr. Jitendra, he was asking me that we have taken a lot of time. Are you feeling tired? I said, when you see something so noble, and when you see a place which has a purpose, then it infuses you with energy. You don't feel tired. Genuinely, today I am feeling energized and energetic in all your company. There is a lot of difference between having a vision and implementing it. That is the gap which most of us don't cover. This gap has been excellently covered by AMTZ under Dr. Jitendra Sharma. My compliments to you. To visualize, to research, design, develop, and make in India. That's an amazing contribution that AMTZ has done. You have not only pioneered the way in medical technology, you have given inspiration, you have given employment, you have given a lot of hope to companies. You have nurtured them, you have incubated them and ensured that they have grown. No country can be entirely self-sufficient, but at least in critical and life-saving technologies, we have to have our own manufacturing base so that we are never dependent upon anybody else. That, I think, is the vision for Atmanirbhar Bharat, which Dr. Jitendra Sharma and his team, and I must compliment you, your leadership, and I must compliment the enthusiasm, the energy, and the implementation skills of your team. Truly inspirational, truly commendable. Please join me in giving an excellent round of applause to you and your team. Thank you so much. So AMTZ here is doing a human service in this particular thing. And for that, I'm extremely grateful to each and every one of you for your sustained support and contribution to the Indian Armed Forces and India as a country. Thank you. Jai Hind.